Good day everyone, I am Shiela Mae Brian from AB2MA and today I am going to show you how to compute grades using Microsoft Excel. Since we have no Open Office Calc, we will going to use Microsoft Excel. First, we will click the Start button and click the Microsoft Excel. As you can see, the prepared worksheet, we will start to indicate a name. For example, Isa Angka. On attendance, for example, on week 1, 85. Week 2, 90. Week 3, 85. And on week 4, 90. And on week 5, 85. To get the total, we will going to use a formula equals sum, open parenthesis, C8 plus D8 plus E8 plus F8 plus G8, close parenthesis, divided by 5, and we will multiply to 0.1 to get the total score.
Grade for attendance.
And the grade for attendance is 8.7. And we will proceed to the recitation. For example, on R1, 85. And on R2, 90. And on R3, 87. R3, 87. And to get the total, we will going to use a formula equals sum, open parenthesis, I8 plus G8 plus K8, close parenthesis, divided by 3. And we will multiply to 0.3. And we will get the total recitation 26.2. And we will proceed to quiz. For example, in Q number 1, 85. On Q number 2, 93. On Q number 3, 75. And to get the total, we will going to use the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, M8 plus N8 plus O8, close parenthesis, divided by 3, and we will multiply to 0.4 to get the total quiz. And the total quiz is 33.73. And on project, for example, 90. And as you can see, we will get the 18% total. And on class standing, 87. And the formula we're going to use is equal sum, open parenthesis, Q8 times 0.2, close parenthesis. And on class standing, the formula that we use is equal sum, close open parenthesis, H8 plus L8 plus P8 plus R8, and close parenthesis. And for example, 75. And to get the total, we're going to use the formula equals open parenthesis, S8 plus D8, close parenthesis, divided by into 2. And the prelim grade sheet, the total is 81. And on sheet number 2, we will going to
1, 2, 3, go.
and on midterm grade sheet, we will going to make a grade. For example, on Isa Angka.
Kasi, magsabi ko ng grade.
For example, on week number 1, 87. And on week number 2, 85. And on week number 3, 85. Week number 4, 90. And on week number 5, 85. And to get the total, we will going to use equals sum, open parenthesis, C8 plus D8 plus E8 plus F8 plus G8, close parenthesis. We will divide it into 5 and multiply into 0.1. And as you can see, we can get 8.64 total. And we will proceed to the recitation. For example, on R1, 75. On R2, 83. On R3, 87. And to get the total, we will going to use formula equals sum, open parenthesis, I8 plus G8 plus K8, close parenthesis. We will divide it into 3 and multiply into 0.3. And the total grade is 24.5. And we will proceed to the quiz. For example, on Q1, 83. Q2, 80. QR, 75. And to get the total, we will going to use the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, M8 plus N8 plus O8, close parenthesis, and divide it into 3 and multiply into 0.4. And the total sum is 32%. And on project, for example, 85. And to get the total, we will going to use the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, Q8 and close parenthesis, and multiplied into 0.2 to get the total percent. And the total percent is 17%. And on the class standing, for example, 82. And to get the total, we will going to use the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, H8 plus L8 plus P8 and R plus R8, close parenthesis. And on exam, for example, 85. And to get the total, we will going to use the formula equals open parenthesis, S8 plus T8 and close parenthesis, and we will divide it into 2. And the total grade and the total midterm grade sheet is 83.43. 667.
Goodbye. Go.
And that's all. Thank you.